This video is going to address the Shared With Me folder in Google Drive. The Shared With Me folder contains all of the files and all of the folders that are shared with you, whether they're via email or Google Workspace. As a result, it can get pretty cluttered. So if we create shortcuts and remove some views, we can control the chaos a little bit. So let's go into the Shared With Me files. It's important to note that these files located in Shared With Me are not really files. They're links to files from other drives. So if we want a file that's shared with us, the best practice is to create a shortcut and put it directly into our drive, into a folder so we can see it better. So I have an Elements handout that was shared with me. I'm going to add a shortcut to the drive. We'll notice that I can't directly move the file because it's been shared with me and I'm not the owner of it. But I can add a shortcut and it's the same thing. So I'm going to now move that file within my drive to where I need it to be. I'm just going to put this into my language arts folder as my resources. If I want to remove this document, I can select remove. It will remove from my shared folder. It will not remove from my drive. Collaborators will still have access. Because I'm not the owner, it's not being deleted out of anyone else's drive. So I can hit remove and I can still locate that file in my drive folders. So we can see that that handout is still there with the shortcut. So when I click on the shortcut, the file will open. I can search for a particular document in Shared With Me. If there's something that I want to find, I can go to my advanced settings and I can type in a keyword. So if I want to search for a membeam file, something that was shared with me a while ago, I can search for it. All of the documents that say membeam will appear. I can right click and then I can add the shortcut to my drive and then move that file within my drive to a specific location. That way I have much easier access to that file rather than digging through my Shared With Me folder. One of the issues that we're facing, because we are so closely integrated with Google Classroom, is an influx of student work. Whenever Google Classroom is created, a folder is created for that classroom and placed in our drive. As a result, any student work that is submitted is shared with us through the Shared With Me folder. So we can see we have tons of folders or tons of files that are shared with us by students. We don't want them. Maybe we want to remove access from them. I can right click on any of those files. I can bulk click on things by pressing Control and clicking. And I can then remove them from my Shared With Me folder. Before I do that, I'm directing you over here to the item details. I'm going to hide this for a second. I'm going to right click on that file again, and I'm going to select View Details. This will bring up the details and the activities. It will show us who the owner of the file is and where it is located. So we can see that this is located in a ELA folder under the Thank You Letter subfolder. If I click on that subfolder, all of that student work will appear. If I want to remove it, you'll notice that if I right click on it, I cannot remove it. This is because it is a subfolder in the Google Classroom. I am not the owner and I don't have editing rights to that folder, so I cannot remove anything. However, I can remove it from my Shared With Me folder. I'm going to go back into here. find that file again, and we can see I can remove it. Now that it's been removed, it's no longer in my shared with me drive, but I can go into the classroom and still gain access to that file. And go into the folder. You'll see that once your Google Classroom is created, any material or any activity that you create in your classroom will create its own subfolders. These cannot be deleted by anyone other than the owner of the file. Okay, so we can see here that the student work is still around. Now, that being said, I can remove myself from that Google Classroom folder. There's a few things to note here. I am a co-teacher, or I was a co-teacher. I'm no longer in that classroom. As a result, if I remove that folder, it's going to be removed from my view. I no longer have access to it. However, the collaborators still have access. So the owner of the file still has access to all of that work. If I have a classroom or a classroom folder that I have created and I wish to remove it, collaborators will lose access. So that means any work that I create and share will be deleted from any collaborator's drives. If I'm not the creator of that folder or that classroom, I can remove it from my view, but the owner still has access. So our best tips for the shared with me file and for removing student work is to ensure that you are removing the correct file. Go into your shared with me, find the file that you need, move it into your drive. Move files the first time, every time, and add the shortcut to your specific drive. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching.